Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to make beef and broccoli. Beef and broccoli is an easy one-pan stir fry that is loaded with fresh and healthy broccoli and tender and juicy beef cuts. The best part of beef to use for this easy stir fry is flank, sirloin or skirt steak. This way the beef will cook so quickly and you don't have to waste so much time. So you're going to start by cleaning your beef and then cut it into long strips just like this. And then go ahead and season your beef with a tablespoon of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing rice wine, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, you can use canola oil, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and lastly, half teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda helps to keep the meat tender and moist. In case you're wondering, I'm using 500 grams of sirloin beef, so I'm just going to stir all the ingredients together to combine. And once you're done, set the beef aside. Next, cut your broccoli into uniform sizes and then place it in a steamer basket. Add some water to a medium pot and bring to a boil. And once it has started to boil, place the basket over the pot. Just make sure the broccoli is above the water and not touching the water. I'm just going to go ahead and season this with a pinch of salt. Steaming your broccoli results in a perfectly cooked vegetable in this quick and easy recipe. So we are just going to place a lid over and allow the broccoli to steam for about 2 to 3 minutes. This shouldn't overcook, so they retain their vibrant green color. It is always best to prepare all your ingredients and keep them in place, that way the sauce will be quickly made. So we are going to prepare our sauce for this stir fry. Combine 4 tablespoons of dark soy sauce in a bowl, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, a teaspoon of brown sugar, a tablespoon of cornstarch, and half cup of water. Now mix everything to combine beautifully. And then set aside. After steaming your broccoli for 3 minutes, they should be looking really vibrant green. Take it out of the pot and run some cold water over to prevent it from cooking further. Once you're done, set your broccoli aside. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to a pan. Once your oil has heated, add 1 small sliced onion to it. Cook the onion on medium heat for 3 minutes. Once the onion is fragrant, go in with a teaspoon of grated ginger and half a teaspoon of minced garlic. Stir and cook for 30 seconds until fragrant. Next, bring in the marinated beef. Cook the beef on one side for 4 minutes and then flip over and cook for another 4 minutes on the other side. After cooking your beef on both sides for 8 minutes, they should be soft and moist, just like so. You can now bring in your prepared sauce and gently pour it over the beef. Give this a stir. Reduce your heat to medium-low and bring this to a boil for about 3 to 4 minutes until the sauce is slightly thickened. You can now come back to this sauce. If you like some heat, add in some red chili pepper. Go in with the broccoli florets. And some spring onions. You can stir this to combine. If your sauce appears to be too thick, you can thin it down with few tablespoons of water. Cook this for a minute and your beef and broccoli stir fry is ready. You can now take this off from heat. So guys, here is your mouth-watering beef and broccoli stir fry. This is super yummy and tastes so good. You can garnish this with some sesame seeds and enjoy this with rice or as a side dish. I hope you try out this easy beef and broccoli stir fry recipe and let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share the video with your friends, and please subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already. You can click on the bell button so you don't miss any video whenever I upload one. Until next time guys, I really love to see you soon. Bye!